Healthcare is known to be the largest and most complex sector. Today, we will look into this sector comprising of companies, hospitals, and healthcare providers focused on manufacturing, selling, and distributing a vast range of medical products such as drugs and medical devices, healthcare services, and insurance. Apparently, they not only cater to the health of patients, but also to that of their stocks. This has made it an attractive sector to investors, especially in recent times. In this video, we'll be exposing you to our 8 stocks in the healthcare sector. Stay tuned. The healthcare sector is indispensable to the world, and there is a constant need for the products and services it offers. As a result of the pandemic, 2020 saw an increase in the demand for drugs and COVID-19 treatments. Several companies are involved in distributing vaccines and drugs, while others are involved in supplying products and healthcare services to test for and manage treatments of the virus. This made the healthcare sector draw the attention of investors. Though it has been performing impressively on the stock market, healthcare stocks have underperformed the broader market and lagged the US S&P 500 index last year. However, analysts recognize plenty of opportunities in attractive health stocks as the economy and healthcare recover from the crisis. Here are the top healthcare stocks with the best value, the fastest growth, and the most momentum for you to watch for. Number 8. Merck Co. Merck Co. is a leading pharmaceutical company that has been involved in research and invention for almost 130 years. They push to discover treatments for diseases that threaten the health and well-being of people and animals. These include cancer, infectious diseases such as HIV and Ebola, and emerging animal diseases. Recently, the company had a successful launch of several drugs to this effect, including a cancer drug called Keytruda. Also known as MSD outside of the US and Canada, Merck has both a broad portfolio of high-margin drugs and an impressive pipeline of new drug candidates. This is expected to be a continuous stream of ensuring solid returns for investors over the long term. Number 7. Gilead Sciences. As a renowned biopharmaceutical company, Gilead Sciences Incorporated strives to transform and simplify care for people with life-threatening diseases around the world through research, development, and commercialization of medicines. Gilead Sciences' primary area of focus includes cardiovascular diseases, cancer, liver diseases, inflammation, and respiratory diseases, human immunodeficiency virus, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, infections, hematology, and oncology. The company does not require an extensive sales team, and taking care to ensure sustainability, these drugs can be produced economically. With a considerable range of products, we can note that this company holds a strong market position, particularly in HIV and hepatitis C, which ensures a high margin. Additionally, Gilead has utilized acquisitions to significantly expand its oncology portfolio. Number 6. Cigna. Cigna is one of the largest U.S. managed care organizations that functions to arrange cost savings. They are also pharma benefit managers who serve to arrange contacts and contracts with pharmacies. The way we see it, the services this company offers reinforce each other. Known internationally as a major healthcare provider and health insurer, this global health service company with over 60 years of experience boasts more than 100 million customers throughout the world. This number is expected to increase as a result of the impressive first quarter figures and the company's achievement of its goal to reduce rising healthcare costs. Not only would this attract more customers, but it can help the company generate more sales from existing customers. Hence, the company would be creating increased turnover through cost reduction. Number 5. Becton Dickinson. Becton Dickinson, BD for short, is one of the largest global medical technology companies in the world. It aims to advance the world of health by improving medical discovery, diagnostics, and the delivery of care. It particularly manufactures medical devices and diagnostic tools used by hospitals, doctors' offices, and research labs. The company's invention, called the Vertex test machine, is a portable machine that can detect common viral infections such as COVID and flu. We anticipate that this will remain in high demand. Becton is also expected to release a new flu and COVID test before the flu season and to increase its operations focused on vascular disease. Number 4. Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Vertex Pharmaceuticals is a global biotechnology company focused on the discovery and development of small molecule drugs for the treatment of serious diseases. The company is notable for its incredible feat of discovering and developing the first medicines to treat the underlying cause of cystic fibrosis, which is a rare and life threatening genetic disease. The company's stock recently took a major hit when the company halted the development of one of the drugs in its pipeline. However, we consider the stock to be undervalued in strength, and we believe the effect of the halted project would be minimal, considering that drugs against cystic fibrosis could become a potential sales success. Number 3, Centene. Centene is a full line managed services company which services both government sponsored and private insurance healthcare programs. Headquartered in St. Louis, Missouri, the company has a diverse portfolio of services utilized by 23 million people across all 50 U.S. states and 3 international markets. It demonstrates its ambition to cover further ground with the acquisition of WellCare in 2020. The company recently raised its net margin target to 3.3% by 2024. In addition, Centene plans to start buying back shares in 2022. In July 2021, Centene's stock price peaked at an all-time high of $75. Unfortunately, there was a recent sell-off in the stock, which led to over an 8% drop in its price to levels of $69 currently. With its solid organic growth and trends in the company's stock price, we, however, confidently expect a rebound in the stick in the near term. Number 2, Zimmer Biomet. Founded in 1927 to produce aluminum splints, Zimmer Violet has grown into a leading public traded medical device company that manufactures orthopedic and other implants. The pandemic saw Zimmer lag the S&P 500 as a result of the halting of non-essential operations during that period. However, the company's launch of the next generation of knee implants, Persona IQ, and the continuous replacement cycle for surgical robots is expected to boost the recovery in this demand is better than initially thought, and the large treatment backlog is expected to continue into 2022. Number 1, Amerisource Bergen. Amerisource Bergen is the second largest pharmaceutical distributor in the U.S. that offers expensive, complex, and labor intensive treatments. These account for approximately 20% of the total group turnover. Recently acquiring the Alliance Healthcare, we see the company's ambition to also continue to grow through additional acquisitions. There has been a generic drug price deflation, which is likely to continue. However, the company is viewed to have the capacity to absorb these falling prices, maintain its current margins, and ensure a steady growth in annual sales. That's the countdown on the top 8 stocks in this industry. What are your thoughts? Do you invest in any one of the listed 8 stocks? Talk to us in the comments section below. We're always eager to hear from you. Also, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give the bell a nice ring so you get notified every time we post something new. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.